What's up YouTube, this is JB. I know it's been a minute since I did a video, but I'm back now. Alright, so I know it's been a minute since I did like a car review, which one of the reasons is the dude that I was getting the vehicles through at the Dodge dealership, he actually switched dealerships, and then now he's not even into the car dealership thing anymore. So I mean, I have to find some more connections for that, but I may even try to do something different and interview some people that I know with different cars, but we'll see how that goes. Home tours, I'm about to start getting on that again, and then unboxings. I mean, I should have did it with this because now I just got a brand new camera, the Canon R6. I've been needing a new camera. I upgraded from the 5D Mark II, and it's been a minute since I bought a new camera, so it was time for me to get this. But I'm pleased with this. May even do something about this video on like first month review or something like that, but that'll come, we'll see. But my main focus is what this video is about, and it's about me buying my dream car. So I know y'all tired of waiting, so let me go ahead and get to the car. Alright, so y'all ready to see what the new car is? Alright, let's go ahead and see now. It's time. Bam. 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. So I've been looking for this, and my whole plan was to go ahead and get one for my birthday, and bam, here it is. Found it in Arizona and had it shipped out here to Georgia. I'm gonna get this garage cleaned out, but this is it. It's full of parts. So what I'm gonna do this video is basically go through the parts that's in here, but see, it's full of parts. So what I'll do is go through that and go from there. Ooh, it's dark right there. But here it is. So my plan was to actually record everything as the truck was coming off, but I ended up having to actually help the dude get the car down. So that messed up all that, but it's all I care about is it's here now. It's here. So what y'all can do is just help me. I'm gonna go through these parts so I can just see the inside of the car. The floor plan is good, no rust or anything like that. But you know, I can show you guys that after I get all these parts out. But all right, so let's get to this, getting these parts out. Alright, so I went through most of the parts, well, not most of the parts, everything. Got everything out of the car. Most of the stuff is trash. I'm gonna be tossing. But these are, I guess you could say, a few little gems that I will be keeping. This car did have a 3-speed manual transmission in it, and that you see the floors. Probably a little dark, but the floors are good. Let me get my flashlight. Floors are solid. But here it is. And then got a bunch of railing and stuff put up there I could go through, but most of the other stuff was trash. Alright, so that's my 67 Fastback Mustang. I want y'all to be a part of this build, so that means that you need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment. Tell me some stuff. Tell me like what color you think I should paint it, what engine stuff I should do, what engine I should go with, what interior, all that. I want to know what y'all think. I kind of already got an idea what I'm going to do to it, but somebody may change my mind with something I didn't think about. So that means y'all need to comment below. If somebody has Forza, do some clean color concepts for me and send it over. But until next time, all right, peace.